Meaning of hijinks.
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 Hijinks. Hijinks refers to playful or mischievous behavior often carried out for the purposes of amusement or causing trouble. It can involve pranks, practical jokes, or other forms of light-hearted mischief. The term is commonly used to describe the shenanigans of children or young adults, but it can also refer to more sophisticated or complex acts of tomfoolery. Hijinks can be seen as a form of harmless, entertaining disruption that serves to break up the monotony of daily life and inject some spontaneity and fun into social situations.